So, hi guys, this is a series of class 10th NCERT solutions. Subject is Mathematics, Chapter 4, Quadratic Equations, and Exercise 4.1. Now, in Exercise 4.1, I am taking second questions that represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. But when you will go through the questions, you will understand that here we need to solve the quadratic equations. That's why in the previous video, I've explained to do the solution of quadratic equations by factorization. Okay, so this is the word problem. I'm going through it very fast so that I could explain the solution in a more detailed way. So the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square, and this is the important line. Length of the plot in meters is 1 meter more than twice the breadth. Here it is t, twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So here one has to understand the basics that the area of rectangle is always length into breadth. Area of plot as given is 528 meters square. Now this from this line we can understand length of plot in meter is 1 more than twice the breadth. Okay, so I have assumed that suppose the breadth of rectangle is b, so length will be 1 more than twice of breadth, so twice of breadth plus 1. Okay, now just simply arranging this term and this term in this formula, and that is equals to 528 meters square. 2b plus 1 into b, 2b square plus b, 2b square plus b after getting the product of this, and 528 shifted to left hand side. Again, I have explained in my previous video that I have to take the prime factors of a into c. Ax square plus bx plus c, so a is 2, c is minus 528, so 1056 is the term here. Okay, after taking out we have got two prime factors, that is 33 and minus 32, not exactly the prime factors, the product of prime factors. So 1b has to be broken in such a way that it comes out either the product of prime factors or the prime factors itself. So 33 I am getting of because of this 3 into 11, and 32 I am getting because of 5 times 2. So I have just put here. Then I have taken b common, 2b plus 33, and here and minus 16 here, 2b plus 33, b minus 16 and 2b plus 33. So b equals to 16 or b equals to minus 33 by 2. Since the dimensions can't be negative, so b is equals to 16 is only the answer, as breadth or any dimension measurement value can't be negative. So b is equals to 16 meter. So how we can derive the length? That is 2 times b plus 1. Just putting the value of b here, 2 into 16 plus 1, that is 33 meter. Thank you.